Okay. Sorry, people. I'm very sorry. Sorry. Sorry, bro. No coffee for you. I know life's hard. Oh, guys, I'm lagging up. Oh my god. How do I pause this? Okay.
Wait there a minute. My stuff is not this. Restart.
No.
Start.
No. We're not restarting just because we can't see 3D.
Why? Oh. Mama. My coffee.
You don't need it. Just in case.
In the start is always in the start. Man.
Just in case. The back is hurting. You want me to shoot you, bro?
Okay.
Okay.
You can be, dog. You can be.
I have a scanner. How many uses does this scanner have? I don't know. Rah! You want me to treat him?
Okay, then I'll treat him. Okay, then.
Ugh, let's be shooting bad people. This is why we need a... This is so dumb. I'm a secret agent. Hurry up. This is taking too long, bro. Alright, you need some herbs. Stomach pain calls for herbs. The other guy is gonna need dried eyes, of course. That looks so weird. However, come you hit this animal, look at your eyes. It speaks that, bro, like, it could be an anomaly. I do know my stuff, you empty animal. Ooh, I thought I gave it the wrong thing just then. Alright, gotta see the doctor very quickly so I can see myself. Okay. Yahoo! Yes, I'm amongst the new high. Oof. Thank you.
What is my hair?
Okay. Oh, thank you for the security cameras and the stuff, sir. Ambush!
Oh, of course it's way bigger on my screen. Bro, stop!
I'm sorry, bro.
I have 44.
48. I have
Are
58.
you crazy?
I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
Leave him alone.
Look at your cameras. If you dare.
Why did I just look at your camera?
Look at the other security camera. That's what I thought.
Creep.
You sure that's not even...
He's fine.
Sure that's what you always say. Bro, go to that wall, bro. Go to that wall. Go to that wall, bro.
Come on. I can't even try.
Time to kill the creature. Bro. Oh no. Those coffee dwellers. Oh my god. I just wasted an ammo. Ah!
Because I'm not giving them coffee. Spam. Yeah, you're doing coffee. Another one.
You do with them. I'm not wasting my ammo.
How do I shut the servers? Oh.
Ever since I... Yeah, shot.
You see shots?
Yes. Start running.
Finally, a normal one.
Get down here.
Nope, that's a Subway.
Too clean. Too clean. How many? 16. Damn. Ew.
Is that one yellow? Oh, it is yellow. That's normal to me.
Look at the cameras if you dare.
No.
I said look at the cameras. Look at the cameras. Look at it. Look at it.
Sometimes I worry.
No, don't waste my money, please. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. Here. Can I give it to you?
You do it then. I'm done.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please. So who's gonna treat the patients? You? Cool. Fine, I'll check this guy out. Okay, let's see. You look good. Let's go. Idiot. I really want to shoot you badly, but I can't. So I'm making more money than you. Good job, you baba sheep. Harlow. Harlow. How you doing? Uh-huh. Limited shift. Uh-huh, got it. Oh, taser. Thanks for the extra cash. How much am I getting? Good performance. I'll call it excellent. $88 carrying capacity. Yeah, I don't want to waste I don't have enough money. Nobody wants. I'm not wasting my Robux on that. Ew. You have enough money to buy this third window, right? Oh, yeah, broke. Okay, I'm broke. Now you have the second window. You ugly thing. Move. Oh no, it's the rat. So side-eyeing me. You hear things? Okay, he's good. How many uses do I have? Oh, wait, let me see this. That's a lot of seconds. Are you good? Oh, there's a cooldown. Shoot. Oh, a wheelchair. They unlocked the wheelchair.
What is that?
It's a new thing to make people go faster.
Oh.
Yeah, Rafi.
I think you should do that.
Rafi, enter.
No.
Enter. You're small enough to fit in this. What does this do?
I think you should do that. Whoa.
Wee, ba. We know where you're going, so we're not doing this. Let's go there. I love this wheelchair. Oh my god, I can't even have fun, bro. Do you have the taste unlocked?
No.
Damn it.
I could just shut the door. I'm done.
Barney.
I already gave him coffee.
My guy Ron, I want to take him. Move. I like Ron.
Yeah, I want to give him the wheelchair. It would be so fun.
Your cousin's about to wheelchair you. It looks like it doesn't work on NPCs.
Oh man. Hey you. Wait, how
To be honest, I don't know, bro.
question? I didn't know who was on that.
It's freezing. I know. Yeah.
Well, I mean, that's
Okay, you're Ron, my guy from accounting. So you also work at this foundation. Yeah, the wheelchair is one of the best of this kid I ever have.
Yep, it's way faster.
By the way, do you know if he's a anomaly or not? Oh my
Yeah, that's
god.
a real question.
Nope.
I don't know 7. What?
Nice try, you beast.
Come on.
I knew it. Look at you, bro.
I might take this wheelchair off. Oh,
Can you fix the cameras?
oh come on.
Wait, it's gone. Hurry up. Okay, fine, bro. What do you look like?
I love normal today.
He has bunny ears. Cool, cool, cool.
Oh my god, there's so many people. I'm literally stacked.
I'll be in room 6, I guess. No, I'm not doing that horrible thing. God, here too. Alright, what do you need, bro? Okay, blue. Cyan. Red. Blue. Wait, what? Wait, pink. Blue. Cyan. Pink. Pink. Blue. No, what was that?
Normally?
I knew it, bro. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, bro. Imposter, look at you. Start running. You better get out of here.
I can tell they did a very good animation with the running.
Okay, I
It's more
did.
detailed.
Cool. Yeah, detail master. This is why I should have been. I told you that wheelchair was not just bringing random disease. Okay. Bleeding, dried eyes, and bruises. Okay, dried eyes, so he needs this. Bruises, he also needs this. And head injuries, you need bandages. I'm too good at this game, bro. La 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 la. Alright, bro, you're gonna be there. Any source of movement, you're cooked. Alright, let's do this. Alright. You need the water, let's give you the water. Alright, we know what to do. Heart, 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 heart. Or an organ, whatever it is called. Why? Well, come on, bro. It's too easy. Give me something hard, bro. I was born for this. Oh, wow. Hold on. Alright, everything's done. Right? Everything should be done.
Right?
One more. What do you mean?
Oh!
Hey, monster!
Tweezers! Get the tweezers!
Oh, we need tweezers. Zoe! Why? No! That was an anomaly. Or was it? What?
Was it an anomaly?
I don't know.
You killed him!
You killed him. Okay, if whoever's the best, that means they're innocent. Because only yes, because I didn't kill him. Some patients may seem unstable. You sure not the workers?
Maybe.
Stop moving back. Stop. Oh really? Sure.
Yeah, have you heard of black magic?
Black magic. Some say what is sound of bad luck. Sure.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, taser.
Finally, I need that taser. You're crazy.
You're evil.
I need it.
Hey, you,
So, oh god. So whoever's the best, whoever's the best is innocent. Oh frick.
Lamau.
Oh come on, it was an accident.
See?
Instantly save them. Only once? What happened now?
Are you?
That guy's an anomaly.
Well, no, no problem. Problem.
Just giving the wrong medicine. Hey, your name is Martin Blue.
Martin.
Alright, you have. Wait, how's that cross photo? Oh wait, that's some different. Oh, I hate you a lot, bro. Yeah, you look good. The cat is the bad one.
Eh?
Oh, you're not intelligent. You do hear whisperings because you're the whisperer, bro. Start running. Ew, look at you, bro.
I can't taser him.
Taser me, you regret it. How bummed are you? Just put it back and let me do it. You're so bummed. Let me do it. Anyway, since my dear sister doesn't know how to taser a criminal,
Oh no, my screen does not work.
we're done. Do we know if he's a good person? Ugh.
Oops, wrong place.
Wow, bro, really? Hello, Ron. How we doing? I'm gonna take the coffee before I change my mind.
Oh, it's coming in.
That's why I considered you still here. Yes, I am. Last guy got eaten by a bed monster. I know, bro. Cool. That's why you're a cool suitcase. That's why it's your cool suitcase. You always make me laugh, bro. You're a funny guy. Can you move your huge afro? Where's that running? Who did that? This is so weird. Who's in room 6?
Well, that didn't work.
Alright, bro. We'll begin your surgery and your friend is going to be okay. Green, cyan, cyan, yellow. Green, cyan, cyan, yellow. I don't trust this guy really much. I know I have a gun, but bro, you're so creepy. Cool down. Wow, only headache.
I'm suspicious reaction.
Any funny business, it leads to death. Any of you. I don't want any suspiciousness going on here. Or else, there will be blood. I'm gonna wait here until I get some suspiciousness out. In the meantime, let me drink some coffee. I don't think Barney's coming anytime soon. That was nice. Right. Okay, you're good. Why are you still here? Let's go. Go with your friend. You came to visit, right? Well, I'll let you process everything, I guess. Oh God. La 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 la. This is so boring. Get out of my face. Okay. Okay. What do we have here? Only stomach ache. That's not bad. You need some herbs. Herbs? You need the herbs. You need the herbs. Okay. Hopefully it's not an ambulance.
It is an ambulance.
Oh, come on.
The little tail. Hey, how come secret doesn't have a tail?
I don't have a tail. Is that your son, bro? I mean, hey, who's that person?
Wow.
All right, let's stand in line. Move so I can see. You're clean. You're clean.
You're
Clean.
clean.
Clean. Clean.
Look, that one is so different.
Yeah, it's so animated.
Oh, listen.
I'm dealing with a guy in room 6. He's a critical patient.
Oh, right.
You.
I'm coming.
All right. What do you need? What do you need? Cyan. Red. Yellow.
And
Okay.
room 2.
No. Yellow. Blue.
You know, something could be
Pink. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Pink. Pink.
Hurry up.
What do you need? What do you need, bro? What do you need? Hurry, bro. I don't want to. You have the flu, okay, bro? No, that's the wrong one. No, that's the temperature. No. Flu. Cough syrup. Bro, no, don't die. Oh, I have to put this in the trash. Why did you open your eyes like that?
Isn't it what?
The shop has something, right? Oh, come on! I'm so excited to know I can buy another gun. Oh wait, I'm broke. $5. Okay.
No.
This guy needs surgery. Alright, bro, you need the surgeon of the surgeries. Bro. Alright. Oh wait. I'm shocked I haven't seen a ghost since somebody killed you.
You?
Yeah, you.
It's you.
It's you. We all know it's you.
Guy.
Comment down below if who did it. I know it's over deep down.
It's you, Monica.
Monica. Yeah, she doesn't even have to say mean words. Oh my gosh, she's so mean. What? No! What?
Lamar!
Wait! No!
See, you killed someone. I don't want to say mean words. No, say someone else.
Wait, that was this? Come back! Oh, frick.
Hey, see, this is how I feel when I get tricked like 3 times with that thing.
Okay.
4 times, okay. 5th time. Yeah,
That didn't happen. Yeah, he's on the floor. Look at you.
I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini.
Why do they look so alike though, bro?
At least they made the animation look a little alive.
Sorry, nobody died. Nobody died, sir. Nobody died. I need a coffee.
No, you don't.
Okay. I just want to go home, leave, bro. Good job. Yeah, this is over for now. What do you mean for now? Move! Yeah, you're a purple thing.
Yeah, black.
Bonus for. How dare you?
Okay,
Yellow!
what? Isn't it true?
Poor performance.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Hey, I want to unlock it. Move! I'm gonna go your Harry Astro. Or Afro, whatever it's called.
Sorry, Bonnie. I'm a good person, so of course I have it.
Okay, he's a bunny. Bro!
What?
There's a hider somewhere.
I bet it's here. Oh, okay. Check around, see what you do.
Okay.
See the door. Anyways.
Dice que son dados.
Oh, you scared me. Why are you running?
Okay, let's have this is something here. Cool. Thanks. That's very useful. Looks like bro has to go and hide in. Ugly things. La 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 la. Go already, bro. Ghostly present. Stop!
Where is it? I can't say it.
Guys, there's a ghost!
You just said my name. Oh.
You don't know Barney Sick can say your name. You didn't know?
That's, oh, I used to have coffee.
Oh!
I don't know if you say people's name. Detailed but creepy.
What the?
Time for this. Get in here. You not come? Well, that's your problem. Oh! Not today, bed monster.
Okay, he's a good person.
Ah! Ah! Diabolical!
I'm sick of you. I'm sick of you. Get away from me. No. I need coffee.
It's okay, boy. Wait, you need to get to Barney.
I don't have coffee, bro. Oh my god. Wait for the coffee.
Wait, what was that again?
Oh my god. What do you want? You're a good person anyway, so I already know.
Ghost, ow. A ghostly presence?
That's so annoying, bro.
Fire extinguisher.
I don't know.
It's everywhere.
Guys, there's a ghostly presence.
Look.
And I didn't mean to kill you, ghost. It was an accident.
Why are you apologizing to the ghost?
Maybe he will say sorry. Maybe. Ghost.
Our science is cool. Finally, no more ghosts.
I'm not sure about that.
Excuse me?
No! I hate the stalker so much.
Wow, for someone to say I love the stalker.
No, it's like a very fun guy, but no, maybe if you didn't exist, wait. Okay, you're good.
Is that just a thing?
Okay, are ghostly presents all these white tiny dots?
What?
Like this?
I believe so. I think so.
If that's the case, then ew. Just ew. I didn't touch me! Help!
Bro, you use your gun.
Do I see it? Nah, bro, I need a chocolate bar. But I'm not gonna waste my money.
Oh, waste the money.
It's all happening because somebody did not do that job right.
That's when I took 2 patients.
It was an accident.
Whatever they say.
I'm trying to. See, you need to do the patient things.
I'm trying to deal with the patients. You do the ghost.
How? The ghost is this white, hideous presence, right?
I believe you.
Okay, the ghost
is that white dot thing.
Clearly it is. Yes. The ghost is officially the most hated ever. Like nobody likes the ghost.
Okay, nobody likes this. Oh goodness, that's the again. He's back again, isn't he?
Where is this?
No, just be careful.
2 new patients coming your way. I have to deal with the ghost. Come on, ghost! I still have 7 ammo. Reveal yourself. Both of these things could be killed. Hey boss. What do we do if you see ghosts? I know. Okay, but what do you do about the ghosts?
You can ask me for that.
Okay.
I wonder if we killed the two. Oh, I wonder.
I will attack you. Oh, I needed that so much.
Oh, flowers. How nice. Sorry, I'll get it. Okay, this is someone.
Oh, hello.
Ah, again with the ghostly presence.
What? Where? Where? Where?
Calm down.
Where? Oh. Liz! Oh, wait. Sorry, boss. I will get back right to you. Okay. Hey, Liz. Or Elizabeth. Elizabeth. Sorry. Oh no. Okay. Duke Hopper. Who's Duke Hopper? Okay, Duke Hopper. Duke Harper. Okay. Hopper.
Duke.
I will accept your help, ma'am.
Do you have the taser?
Yes.
Return the taser.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Okay, Duke Hopper. See you soon.
So we'll go take a picture of someone named Duke Hopper. I mean
Hopper something.
Duke. Let me say Hopper. What's his name?
Check it.
Answer me.
Duke Hopper. So it could be.
What is your name? Okay. It's his name.
Matthew. Thank you.
What's his name? What's his name?
Lucas. On.
I think you're a security camera.
Oh, sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. I know everybody always thinks us as an anomaly. Even my fellow worker thought I was an anomaly.
You're creepy. I like that he side-eye me.
He doesn't do that anymore.
He does. He just side-eyed me just now.
See, he's not okay. He's silent me.
I know. What's your name, boy?
Okay, he's good. Confirmed. He's good.
My name is Duke Hopper. That's him. Take a picture.
That's his name.
Yes, Duke Hopper. The white guy. Take a picture.
Taking a picture now. Duke Hopper. Ew.
Even be, man. It's just
But he's innocent. That's the weird thing. Are you clean?
Let me check it.
Oh no.
Go see presents in room 4. Room 5.
The ghostly presence there.
Yes, it's going to a room where a patient is.
But I'm with this guy.
Wait, how do I do this thing? Okay. Is it broken?
Did he possess anybody?
Oh, I don't know. Check. Oh, seriously, how many names do you have? This guy here is in.
Oh my god. This guy?
I can't print this thing.
You can't print. Hello, one. What do you want? I work for the corporation. I process paperwork every night. Yeah, bro, that's not healthy. That guy's an anomaly.
Can't be serious.
I know.
Bro.
Okay, bro. Da, na 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 na. So did he kill that guy?
No, right here.
That doesn't work. Stalker, really? I see you, bro. That was not scary at all. Time to die, bro. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ghost what? I have 6 ammo, bro. 100 sanity. Have the taser. What am I gonna do with the taser now?
Is this the one? Oh, this one you need 8. Oh, I need 6 and 7.
6, 7. Green,
Normally?
pink, and cyan. Not my hard work, bro. Not my hard work. Only 4 ammo left. Imagine, look at you. Look at you. Stand up. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Nah, I'm killing you.
Oh, leave him be.
Not that what to do. Bro. Bro. Blue. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Okay. I got pink, cyan, green, red, pink, cyan, green, red. Full X-ray. Okay. Rain. Now.
Yes.
I needed it since. Of course. So killing anomalies, I guess, is not worth it, huh? You guys don't need me. What's a boom?
Okay, so we have one of them. That guy's good.
Surrender. Refuge.
What the hell is this?
I may need to disappear for a while. Matthew, it's not Matthew. No, that's not a sad thing. But first, I want to chat with you. Oh, okay.
No problem, Rafi.
Sure. Okay, did it. So we just have this coffee thing. Nope, that guy's bad. That guy's bad news.
Which one? The blue?
Yes. This guy's instantly good. So just use your wheelchair. Just use your wheelchair. I have only 4 ammo, so I'm not gonna waste it on this trash. So that, yeah.
Pink. Every time you said
Yeah, guys. After the shift, we're going to leave.
I think the fire one
Eh, aha. Even the ring costs like. How did I miss? I'll have 2 ammo. Hello. Oh, hello. Don't mind me, just taking a break. Long shift. I know Harlem. They're all long lately. I like to sit in neat seat like this. No! Oh my. I sipped the green mint tea. It's supposed to be for Harlow. Oh my god. What?
You sipped.
No, I drank.
Sipped.
Okay. Stop.
Sipped. Sipped. Are you the green guy or
Wait, which one's bad?
the green guy?
Is bad?
Okay, who is the bad one?
I don't know.
When I say
I always wanted to. Oh, anyways, I want to tell you something. Okay, what is it, Rafi? Yeah, congrats.
yes, I didn't know if you know about that side. So they told me. Which season was higher?
Why did he say mystery?
What do you mean mystery?
He just said mystery. Okay. Just say mystery. Harley's a mystery. Oh, I'm looking for a mystery. That guy's a fish. Are you good?
M7's yellow.
Yeah. I made sure of that. I didn't piss on it.
Ew.
I'm joking.
That's
Jesus.
really disgusting.
Elizabeth.
Green. Yellow. Green. 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 Yellow.
Yeah,
Green.
definitely wondering. Really? You want the FBI to find you, or? Oh wow! No wonder it took so long.
What happened?
Of Mati Ito.
Who?
Yes, Rafi, I like it too. Yes.
Natsu Ito?
Something Ito.
Oh, that's not good to me.
This is our goodbye for now.
No, Rafi.
Bye, bro. You were so cool. I believe he's in room. Fire! Hey! Fire! 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 What's the fire extinguisher? I almost got burnt.
Wow, they really wanted to not find out. Green? Random colors, these days.
I bought it.
Green. This one is yellow, now it's green.
It's between the red. Okay.
Wait, are we looking for what it says? What's his name again? Something Seto?
Eto or something like that.
Okay, good. But I don't know which one's her name. Let me see.
She left it here.
She does.
Mati Ito.
What's this girl? Kaka, no, none of them. They're both visitors.
Whew. Only one ammo, bro. You got cooked. Oh, he died.
He died?
He just died. Okay. So I said, let me get out of here. He just died.
How did that happen?
I love the rain.
So many people. Wow, hiders. 3, imagine.
Those make the heatest of breath.
Juked? Hey! Why are you getting juked by sheep? Every property. It's just a one check. We just end.
Yeah, I made sure of that.
Flu and Canadian.
They're disgusting. I hope you know that. This is a long shift. If we don't get minty in the next shift, I don't want to do anymore. Like I don't want to do anymore, guys. Like Elizabeth takes far too long.
It's more like the shower now sees everything.
Yep.
People be saying that working as a stalker. Yeah, sure, working as definitely a stalker. Sorry, I'm coming. Sorry.
Who's the ape that did this?
You're walking backwards.
Okay, I just know what to do now. If you see the stalker, that would be very useful. If you don't see the stalker or fresh mints, I'm done.
Let the fake you into the stalker.
For more lore.
Oh,
Last one is like the last guy.
Which guy?
Me too. Bleeding. I'm out of guns, guys. This last guy really ticked me off. And he still died. Who am I without the gun? I'm not a secret agent. I'm just an agent. Ah! So,
I love you.
hurry up and shoot the guy.
Yes.
Don't kill him by mistake.
Hello, you. Stay with him, patient. He's still okay.
If you see Minty or the stalker, we're going to, wait. Is that my emoto? Green tea?
No green tea. No.
Guns?
No guns, but we have a taser.
You have enough to buy a security camera? Yeah, so you can look at them, so you can see from third person. We have to put it somewhere. Where do we put it? Put anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yes, anywhere.
Where?
Just anywhere you like. Is this person named Mayumoto? Now we have 5 cameras.
Good question. What's his name?
You look at it right there.
Please be Miyamoto. No! What a waste.
Okay, no green tea. The stalker is not coming, so
Let's go.
I think this is the end, guys.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm very tired. Yeah, so but hey, why can I not access it?
Just ended.
Okay, never mind. I'm done.
40. That's it.
Bye.